The future of U.S. manufacturing is looking bright, and he should know. CEO of Marlin Steel, Drew Greenblatt, joins us now. Drew, it's great to see you. You saw the president speaking this week in Dearborn. What do you make as a manufacturer, a steel manufacturer here in America? What do you make of are we seeing a renaissance in manufacturing?
We are seeing a renaissance. This is a fabulous time to be a factory worker in America. We have a factory actually in Michigan, and they're buried with work for that Ford plant. They make parts for Ford. They make parts for General Motors. We have a shift that's actually works Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're so busy that they had to come in Friday for overtime. And today they're working right now, Saturday, overtime, all because that Ford plant's so busy. It's a blessing. By the way, they're making overtime pay, no tax, because of the big, beautiful bill. Factory workers are really pumped. This is a good time to be an American factory worker. It's really good, exciting time.
So in full disclosure to our viewers, Drew and I met in 2016. They were doing that flashback on Instagram, and I was putting pictures up. I actually put a picture of you and I in your Marlin Steel plant in Baltimore, Maryland, because back then in the 26 election, I was asking manufacturers which person would be better, a Trump or a Clinton. And yet you, since then, have expanded in unprecedented ways, particularly more so than ever right now. You have a big announcement.
Exactly. This is a Fox and Friends exclusive. We're so optimistic, so enthusiastic about what's happening. We're leaning in. We bought a robotic laser cutting machine, punch combination, and we're installing it in Baltimore City. It's our biggest investment in company history. And the reason why we're doing that is because of the policies that are being created, because we could write it off 100%. Let me kind of keep it real. So we make baskets, and what we do is we laser cut the steel for these baskets, and we ship these to guys like Ford and General Motors. And this sheet metal right here is laser cut. We have technology right now that can do it, great quality, but the new machine will go 10 times faster. So it's worth it for us to buy the most expensive thing we ever bought, because we're allowed to write it off right away. This is going to be a fabulous tool for our American workers, because what's going to happen is we're going to be able to compete. We're going to be able to what China, we're going to be able to what Mexico, we're going to be able to make things here in Baltimore, make things here in America. Behind me is a 3,000 square foot piece of land that we have excavated out all the concrete. We're going to lay down new concrete. You can see the rebar back there. And Tuesday, we're pouring concrete down so we could put this brand new laser punch there. This is very exciting. It's called the TruMatic 3000. It's going to be revolutionary for our team. And this is the kind of leaning in that American manufacturing is doing all throughout our nation. You're about to see a big spike in business.
Biggest investment in company history. We've got to leave it there, but just in 10 seconds, Drew, sounds like tariffs didn't crush you as the economists predicted.
We love tariffs because it gives it a fair, level playing field. For decades, policymakers have not been thinking about the American factory worker. Finally, we have an opportunity to slay the competition because we have a level playing field. It's great news for the American factory worker.
All right, Drew Greenblatt, we appreciate you making the announcement there, and good luck to you.